video. You're sus, dude. Hey. I hope I don't mess everything up. My mommy wants me to take a video for her. Always condition. What time is your flight tomorrow?
I believe it's at 4.
Is that where dreams come true? Oh yeah.
Would you believe me if I told you I could see every particle of salt on this chip? And this is the zoomer. I was hoping you'd get other content. Flash!
Hey.
You are so good.
Till then I'm driving around this town.
Wow, the moon!
Person that you keep inside.
Straight up though. Hey, I'm not playing drums today, so I can put this back on. Check out these pores. Respectfully, you're gonna need these guys to get on the road.
I just love the sit of that tree.
We got the people. Let's go see. Oh, I like that. You may know this, but it is good for your battery to be, when you have something new electronic, to be used from fully charged to like completely dead. I don't know. I'd be listening to some Journey today. That sounds nice. Yeah.
Come from that way, but it's a loop. So we're gonna go back to the car this way, okay?
Hello, beautiful. Oh, look at you. Dang, good looking duck.
He's a blue feather.
That dastardly voluptuous duck butt. The dog shitting. Good video of the dog shitting.
Oh. Hi.
Alright, your turn.
Would you mind? We couldn't fly because the cheapest flight was like $6. It's visible. Yeah, but
Celia's leaving town. Celia's leaving, and then I have to go home and say bye to my best friend who's also leaving.
How was your night last night?